How to fix on-device encryption on Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top right. After you've clicked on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, here click on Manage your Google account. After you've clicked on Manage your Google account, simply scroll down in here and click on Security and Sign In. After you click on Security and Sign In, here scroll down to the bottom. In here, click on Password Manager. After you click on Password Manager in here, simply click on the gear icon at the top right. After you've clicked on the gear icon at the top right, it will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and you'll find on-device encryption. Click on Setup. Press on Next. Setup. And then it will update your password. It will ask you for your screen lock. Add your screen lock and then you're all set up. If you already have one, you can simply edit and add a new one. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix on-device encryption on Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.